Questions remain unanswered as the investigation into the death of Irvo Otieno continues. The 28-year-old died earlier this month in the custody of Henrico Sheriff's deputies, 7 of whom have been charged with murder. 8 News is taking action tonight, working to bring you the latest updates as the case unfolds. 8 News reporter Olivia Jakewith is live in the Digital Center after speaking with attorneys for the victim's family. Olivia.
That's right, Deanna, and I've also been reaching out to defense attorneys for each of the 10 total people who have been charged in connection with Otieno's death. But yesterday, following the young man's funeral, civil rights lawyers spoke with us about remaining and potentially untapped evidence. As loved ones say goodbye to Irvo Otieno, civil rights attorneys call for answers.
We still do not understand how Irvo goes from that hospital over to the jail.
Mark Crudis and Ben Crump speaking out after yesterday's funeral. In the weeks since Otieno's death in the custody of Henrico Sheriff's deputies, surveillance video has been released from Central State Hospital, showing the young man's final moments. We've also seen video from Henrico Jail West and, before that, photos from when Henrico police were called to his neighborhood. But Crudis says there's more.
We saw the video when we met with the Commonwealth's attorney of what was occurring inside the cell that has not been made public yet. What we did see was that Irvo was continuously being pulled through what's called the chuck hole in the door, and we could not understand what was going on. Also, medical people were there. They should be taking contemporaneous notes in connection with what went on and what they saw around them. That should be seen, we'll be able to read that. And also, these people should be interviewed in the near future. They should have been interviewed by the Virginia State Police.
Crudis says they are also requesting body-worn camera video from Henrico Police's initial interactions with Otieno, which is reportedly on a 60-day hold. Henrico Sheriff's deputies, however, do not wear body cams. Now, a call to action to bring mental health-specific courts to Virginia.
I know they're doing that in California now. What you don't want is people having mental ill crisis to be treated like criminals and locked away in cages.
Now, defense attorneys have also said there is more than what we see in the surveillance video that has not been released up to this point. But as we previously reported, a judge moved to seal evidence in these cases moving forward. Stay with us on air and online for the latest updates. But for now, live in the Digital Center, Olivia Jakewith, 8 News.
Thanks, Olivia. Stay with 8 News as we continue to follow the Irvo Otieno story. We'll give you new details as soon as we get them here on air and 24/7 on WRIC.com.